going on, everybody? I am making some shrimp fried rice. Oh, and with some snow leg meat in the shrimp fried rice. That's gonna be so good, man. Bam! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Them good old shrimps, y'all. Look at them good old shrimps, y'all. So I might have to leave the lid off because I want these to saute really good. I got Old Bay pepper. I got Old Bay in here. I got garlic salt and a little bit of butter. Once these bad boys finish sauteing up, we're gonna go ahead and start with those snow legs. That's on sale right now for $11.99, which is not bad at all because they normally $15, $16 a pound. Woo! And I get them when they on sale. I catch those bad. That's the only time I get them is when they on sale because I am not rich and I'm not paying no $18 for no darn gone snow leg. So, bam. I'm gonna let them bad boys cook for a little bit longer. Then we're gonna start those snow legs. Put this back on. Bam. Oh, they just looking so good. They're not even done yet, and they looking so good, y'all. Oh my God, this is gonna be a good dinner. I'm hot. I'm sweating. It's getting dark outside, man. I hope everybody had a great day there. I know I look like crap. I know I look like crap. I feel like crap too. Alright guys, we got the snow legs going. Oh yeah, look at those snow legs, y'all. Oh my goodness. Woo, no I ain't. So what you want to do is you want to let these bad boys steam for about 6 to 7 minutes. That's all you need. Let those bad boys steam. Put a little Old Bay on there. Let them steam up. 7 minutes, you good to go. We already got the shrimp done. The shrimp is over here cooling down, so we can go ahead and peel these bad boys to put in the rice, okay? Alright, we finally got the crab legs done, y'all. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start with these eggs. Yeah, that should be enough. Alright. Alright, y'all, I got the crabs done. I'm just going to get a couple of these crab meats out. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. That's going right into the food. Sometimes it helps if you got scissors. Alright, y'all, I am done picking all the crab meat that I want to pick out for now. I do have some more left over. I'm saving for myself so I can eat with some butter. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So that's going to be really good in that food, y'all. Oh, my gosh. Alright, I finally got the eggs in, guys. So we're just going to go ahead and scramble these bad boys up. Nice and good. She's going to add a little bit of butter. Yeah. Y'all know how to scramble eggs. So we're going to scramble these bad boys up. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and add the good old fried rice. Bam. Now we're just going to let this bad boy fry up for about 8 minutes. It say on the box. We do have another bag. We're just going to use some of this. Bam. Bam. Alright, we're going to let that fry up. Put the lid on, let that fry up. Put some more butter in there if you got to. Let it fry up so everything's nice and cooked. The rice is done. We're going to go ahead and add the eggs that we cooked. Bam. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Go ahead and add the shrimp that we sauteed. Ooh, that's a shell. We don't want that in there. And we're going to go ahead and add the snow, what's that? Snow legs. With a little bit of butter, okay? Now you want to turn your food on low so everything can continue to heat up. So we're going to go ahead and mix it up. Oh, look at this, y'all. Oh, oh, oh. Did I make a mess? Of course I did. Of course I did. This just couldn't be a good segment where I didn't make a mess. So last time I cooked something like this, it looked like crap. Remember that? That was a big fail. That was a big fail. This looks 10 times better though. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this off. Let me just mix this up and I'll show y'all the aftermath. Alright guys, I am making my plate. And this smells so good. Look at this. You can see the shrimp. You can see the snow legs. You can see the eggs. Oh man. Ooh, this is going to be so good. And I also put extra eggs. When I made it with the eggs, I made extra eggs. Look at that big old snow leg meat. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Hold on. That is good. If y'all want to follow this, go ahead, man. You won't be disappointed. Don't worry about the little mess right there. Don't worry about that right there. But thanks for watching, y'all. Peace out.